Shout out Crazy Customs. Got this 125 finished. Almost finished. We got some new throttle assembly coming in tomorrow with some yellow grips. That's about it. But other than that, she finished. She will be on marketplace tomorrow. Got valve stem lights out there. I got some LED light strips. I might run them tonight. I forgot if this motor powered the LED lights, to be honest. We're gonna see though. Got some brand new hand guards out there. Fresh carb, air filter. Fire up first kick. Yeah, she loud. It's fast though. I ain't lying to you. Got some Crazy Custom stickers on this one also. I love these right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like them. We got two more. We got what, like three, four more. We got to put on tomorrow. A couple on the gas tank and stuff like that. I dropped the gas tank early, so I got fixed the paint. But should be on marketplace tomorrow. Soon these grips come in. Redo that gas tank. Should be on marketplace. Shout out Crazy Customs. Full restoration on a 125 pit bike. And in fact, I'm gonna tell you exactly everything we did to it. First thing we did was carburetor, air filter, gas tank had rust in it. So we used the marinic acid, clean through the gas tank. Couple flushes on that. Still trying to make sure everything is clean. So we're gonna do another flush tomorrow. Valve stem lights.